Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel again. Good morning and good afternoon for today's video guys. Grabe ang buhok ng client natin today guys dahil yung color niya guys is talagang nagpuputol-putol na yung highlights. Tapos hindi talaga siya pantay at wala siyang pattern guys kumbaga. Kaya mahirap talaga siya i-process ng ganitong color. So ang gusto ni ma'am is talagang buo na yung ash gray sa color niya guys. At talagang grabe yung grabe yung transformation natin guys dahil talagang pipiliin natin yung pinaka light at saka yung pinaka dark. So ayan yung before at ito yung after. So kung mapapansin nyo guys, talagang ang layo na sa before guys. Yung after niya as in sobrang gandang transformation. So clear na talaga siya guys at talagang nag-enhance at saka nagiging buhay na yung color niya. Hindi na siya boring guys. So yan guys, yun yung pinaka-result sa ginawa natin as in talagang happy yung customer natin guys dahil hindi niya inaasahan na ganito yung result niya guys. So ayan yung pinaka ash gray niya guys. So ginawan din natin siya ng midnight ash. Kaya ganyan yung combination niya guys. Ayan, sobrang ganda. And I hope you like it guys. And don't forget to follow our page. Thank you so much and God bless!